What's up, everybody? It's Emma, and today we have a very special guest. This is Rhea from Holystone Distilling. Today what we're going to do is do kind of a mashup of a cocktail and a coffee put together that you have created, and so I will let you take it away.
Awesome. So this is called the Bean Yard Buzz, because we're going to mix a little bit of your delicious coffee from the beautiful Bean Yard and a little bit of booze from Holystone. So today we're going to be using the Cerulea Gin to make this cocktail. This is our newest release. This is kind of a botanical style of gin, really beautiful, with notes of lavender, rosebud, rose petal, and orange. And so if you can imagine, that goes really well with chocolatey flavors and berries. So I'm going to make kind of a mocha frappe with some strawberry, and then we'll top it with some whipped cream and blueberries. And this is a great cocktail that you can make in a batch for a group if you are hosting for Memorial Day, or if it's just you and your loved one. This is an awesome one for you to try. A little bit of caffeine and a little bit of buzz.
Ooh, my favorite two things.
Here we go. There is a little bit of prep involved. Couple of things that you will need for this. One is our Holystone Cerulea Gin. You'll also want to pick up some of the exquisite Bean Yard Espresso for this cocktail. You'll also need a package of strawberries, a pack of blueberries. Your milk choice, I recommend something that has a bit of fat, so whole milk or coconut milk would do well with this. And then heavy whipping cream. The whipped cream part is optional, but who doesn't love whipped cream on a cold frappe? Yeah. So, alrighty, so I'm gonna build this in my blender. You'll also need a blender. Okay, let's get started. Did I mention everything? You'll need a little bit of cocoa. We'll give you an ingredients list. It sounds really complicated, but I swear it's really easy. Okay, so for one cocktail, I recommend pouring 1 ounce of the Cerulea Gin. And since I have Emma here today to sample this with me, I'm going to make enough for 2. So I'm going to do 2 ounces of the Cerulea Gin. That means that there's 1 ounce of booze in each drink. But I also put a little bit of the Cerulea in the strawberry syrup just to kind of mix things up. So here we go. I've got our booze. I'm gonna put some simple syrup in here. For each drink, you'll want to do 1 ounce of simple syrup. This is really easy to make. You can even buy it at the store. It's basically sugar and water, equal parts. Let's see. Then I have my whole milk. I'm going to do 3 ounces per drink. So bear with me.
Oh, look at that blue color it gets. That's so cool.
All right, 5. Did I lose count? 6. We'll get there.
Yeah, it works for me. I think that's right.
So the blue color, I didn't mention this. This gin is infused with butterfly pea blossom. That's what gives it this brilliant lavender hue. So this gin, we're actually donating a portion of the proceeds from bottle sales to breast cancer research. This is actually a really beautiful little thing that we're doing to memorialize one of our owner's mothers and friends who passed away to breast cancer, and to also honor other warriors who are fighting breast cancer. And one cool fact about this gin, you won't see this in this particular cocktail, but when you mix this gin with anything more acidic, it starts to change pink. So it's our breast cancer
cool.
gin.
Yeah, I love that.
Okay, so we've got our milk, our gin, and our simple syrup, and then I have some cocoa here. I measured out a tablespoon per drink, so I'm gonna put about 2 tablespoons in here. Ta-da. And then our espresso. Oops. So I'm gonna say like about 2 ounces per drink. If you want a little bit more, by all means. And then we're gonna do a scoop of ice. A scoop and a half. Kind of eyeball it there. go mix this on our blender really quick, and we'll be right back. All right, so now we're gonna take the pulp that was left over from the syrup. I'll talk about the syrup a little bit. So I used a pack of strawberries, a cup of sugar, and about a quarter cup of water, and then I added Cerulea Gin. I added a half a cup of Cerulea, and I'll list this recipe for you guys to look at. The Cerulea, adding it to your syrup is optional, but it adds a bit of depth, and you can taste the lavender in it. So this is the final situation here. We've got our syrup and our pulp. I separated the pulp from the syrup and kept it to the side because this is going to be so yummy in our cocktails. Pulp optional, but I love pulp. So here we go. We're gonna put some at the bottom there to layer it nicely. Yeah, and if your mocha doesn't taste super sweet, that's okay because look what I'm doing. I'm gonna put some more boozy syrup in here. I'm putting about an ounce. Personal preference. If you like it a little bit more sweet, go for it. And then I'm gonna pour this on top. Wow, this looks so good. Oh, this looks so good. I'm so excited. This is perfect for summer. Oh yeah. A nice cool blended drink, a little bit of caffeine kick.
Oh yeah.
And then
Keep you going through the day.
I've got my whipped cream, so we're gonna just,
And is this just normal whipped cream?
yeah.
Nice.
If you want to booze it up even more,
Oh,
you could add Cerulea to this
Yeah.
too, and it'll make it a little bit blue.
That'll
But
be
I just
awesome.
opted for the classic, a little bit of vanilla, simple syrup or powdered sugar. So there we go. Throw some blueberries on here just to add some blue color to your drink.
It'll make it feel healthy.
Yeah, it's like a smoothie.
You have
Right?
some blueberries. Very healthy.
And then if you want to, you can even drizzle a little bit of the syrup on top. Yum.
Looks so good.
Get some fun straws. Yeah. Yes.
Oh my
There
gosh.
we go.
Love this. Well, thank you so much. Cheers.
Oh, it's terrible.
Oh, so
I'm
bad.
just kidding. It's
Nobody make no, I'm just kidding. This is so good. I am so impressed.
You get the little pulp at the bottom, mix it up. Oh, I can taste that gin.
Oh yeah.
And it goes really well with the espresso.
I love this. So delicious. Oh my gosh. Okay, if you're looking for a summer cocktail, a kickoff, Memorial Day for summer, whatever cocktail, winter cocktail, let's do it. We love this. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thanks for having me, you guys.
Yeah,
This
of
was
course.
so fun.
Yes, and tell us a little bit more about Holystone.
Oh yes, so we're located in Murray and we're open Thursday through Saturday. We also offer tours and tastings in our beautiful lounge. If you notice on our label, we kind of have this Art Deco theme going on. Our distillery follows that theme. You will feel like you're being transported into the 1920s and boarding like a luxurious cruise ship. So please let us host you. We have a private tasting room. You book online, and it's $10 a person for a tasting, $10 for a tour. We also serve charcuterie boards, so we'd love to have you guys. We'd love to share our story and share our beautiful spirits with you.
Yeah, love that. Thank you so much again. And definitely check out Holystone's Instagram.